So in this particular video, we talked about how you can use live transcription on the Voice Memos app in macOS 15. But do you know you can use the same feature on the Notes app? You can add voice notes to the Notes app and also get the live transcription for the audio that you are recording. Now this can be a useful feature if you take a lot of notes with audio recordings. The audio recordings will now show the live transcription. So if you are looking for a specific part, then you won't have to hear the whole audio again. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use live transcription feature in the Notes app on macOS 15. So first, click on this icon on the dock to open Launchpad. Now, search for the Notes app. After this, press enter to open Notes. Now open the note in which you want to add the audio recording. You can even create a new note by clicking on this icon. After this, click on this option to record audio. Now, click on this icon for live transcription. After this, to start recording, click on this red button. Now record your audio and this will show the live transcription for the audio that you are recording. Now you can see the live transcription of the audio as I am recording it. After you are done recording the audio, click on this pause button. Now click on done. Now this will save the audio recording to the note and you can see the transcription here. To view the full transcription, double click on the note. So this is how you can use the live transcription feature on the Notes app on macOS 15. I hope you find this information useful, and if you do, then don't forget to like the video.